Alright, we got an interesting job today. Got a broken bracket. As you can see, it's broken off of this plate in here. We're gonna hook our ground up to it. We're gonna get to welding. We're gonna replace that. That way this gate operator can mount there and can swing this gate.